Okay, I'm here with Dean, and Dean, you were just telling me that you've got some new products, new plant line, is it?
That's right.
I'm not
yes.
sure. How do you describe it?
So, as you all know, Ready Steady Grow is the specialists in growing your own food, but also what we try and do here is be as sustainable and as eco-friendly as possible. That's a thing very close to our heart. And so our new product lines are basically plants that are going to bring wildlife and biodiversity into your garden. So we've looked carefully at good plants that will not only be a good plant for you as a gardener, but will also help to increase the wildlife that's in your garden. And so a lot of our new plants are herbaceous perennials, such as salvias and penstemons and verbascums and foxgloves. And all these things are really good at increasing the biodiversity of your garden and attracting wildlife. So as well as helping you to grow produce, we can make the garden look fantastic, with lots and lots of flowers, and bring in those helpful predators and all those things into your garden.
Okay. There's a lot of Latin words going on. Is it Latin going on
there?
Well,
no, I don't think any of,
Well, there were a lot of words I've never heard before.
So, penstemons and salvias, they're what they call herbaceous perennials. So they last forever. They come up in the summer and they go down in the winter, but they flower for 6 or 8 months of the year once they get established. They're easy to care for, and we do them a really good price, and it's a really fantastic addition to anybody's garden.
Which ones in front of us
these
would you be looking at?
These are penstemons, and then we've got some lovely varieties, and then we've got salvias as well. And those are part of the sage family, so they've got lovely trumpet-shaped flowers, both of those. And what they're really good for is that long-tongued bees, which we need a lot of in the countryside and in your garden, they really favour those because the other bees can't take the nectar out of them. So, each plant that we've got, we've thought about, and we've added it to our range so that it will, increase the health of your overall garden.
Okay. And are these edible plants? Are they just flowers?
No, they're flowering plants. They're not for us to eat, but they're for the wildlife and the animals to eat. So
right.
It's and the thing about planting wildlife plants in your garden, if you are growing vegetables, if you are growing your own food crop, if you're growing other plants, that means you're attracting lots of insects, and that means you're attracting birds, and that means that all these things are going to predate and cut down on the amount of pests and diseases you're going to get on your vegetables. And so it's keeping that garden in balance, and so that you don't have to use too many pesticides or things that we don't want in the garden.
Right. Okay. That sounds fantastic.